Hello, everyone, and welcome to What's Your Problem Season 2. We have some lovely ladies here with us today, all from the psychology background. Today, we have gathered to speak about this really disturbing and horrific incident that has happened in Kolkata with a medical doctor. She was raped, and as a student who wanted to learn medical, someone who wanted to make a career of themselves, is not safe in their homes, in their institutes, in their hostels, or even outside. So today we have gathered to talk about this, and let's start. So Ninu, Titiksha, she's one of my good friends, so I call her Ninu. So Titiksha, why don't you introduce yourself?
Okay. Hi guys, I am Titiksha, more than Neenu. So currently, I'm doing PhD in psychology, cognitive psychology. I have done my masters and bachelors in psychology. Beach May, I did some teaching work as a visiting faculty. So I've been in the field of psychology for quite some time now, for a couple of years. Um, I am from Uttarakhand or natively from UP, and we all know what UP is Badnaam for, what UP is been famous for. I come from a very, not a very, but somewhat traditional background, conventional background. So, yeah, when this news came up, I had been distraught since then, and I've been constantly talking to my mom as to what we can do about it. I'm glad we're doing something about it, and hope this sparks up a conversation. Yes.
Thank you. Rashmi, why don't you introduce yourself?
Hello, everyone. My name is Rashmi Pandey, and currently I'm working as an academic guidance counselor, and I also teach psychology. Before this, I've been in the corporate sector, but still working somewhere in the field of psychology. And again, like Tatiksha, I've also been a visiting faculty with a university. Um, I am actually from Uttarakhand, but I've been brought up across India, where my major upbringing also has been in UP. I have spent like 9 years of my life in different parts of Uttar Pradesh, and I kind of know the beauty of it, the good side of it. But when you're exposed to the bad ones, you feel to see that यार हमारे रहते हुए तो ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं हुआ ये कैसे हो रहा है and how is all of this happening. So, since this news has come in, I'm not really vocal about such issues, but I thought that it is the time to talk about it because if not now, then it will never be the case. Yeah.
Thanks, Rashmi. Both of them are from UP. Oh, we were all classmates in Amity, so they're basically all my friends from what, 3, 4 years now. Let's go to Priya now. Hi, Priya.
Hi, Payal. So, yeah, everyone, my name is Priya, and I've done masters in clinical psychology, and I've also worked with as a counselor with Tata Hospital, and I've also taught psychology, just like Neenu and Rashmi. So currently, I am working with, I'm taking sessions and everything, and okay, I am not from UP and anywhere such place, but yes, I'm from Mumbai. Being said that Mumbai is a safest place when we say that, but
Agreed.
it's not that. That as a woman, I haven't experienced any such, you know, touchy or something like that. So yes, as a woman, even I have faced something which is uh, in this kind of thing only. So I would like to. So I have been, and I would like to be a participant of this particular thing. So that's it. I don't know what to say.
That's okay. Thanks, Priya. Thank you all for coming here today. It really means a lot to me and Astha because we wanted to cover this topic, and I think it's good that we're doing something as a part of an awareness for this because, as you all know, as we saw on social media and the news, that people are completely outraged with this incident. And the last time it happened was Nirbhaya, basically, and everyone's calling it a Nirbhaya 2.0, which is not okay because we were promised and we thought that this would never repeat again. and as they say, history has repeated itself again.
I think so.
Like it
It's
always
just
does.
not. Yeah, it always does, and it's not only Nirbhaya. Nirbhaya was just a one case that came out of, so it was so loud that people
Yeah.
knew about it. Now this case is also that much loud that people know about it. Now
Yeah.
there are so many cases that we don't know about it and it does not come forward. So I
Yeah.
think so Nirbhaya was not only the case and there are more cases behind it.
actually.
Right. Of
So
course.
that does bring up does a case have to be that brutal to come into the eyes of
Exactly.
people
Yeah.
to deserve justice?
Yeah. So
It somehow feels like the perpetrators giving like a signal, like I'm gonna do this so horribly that, more like an attention seeking kind of behavior, that I'm going to assault this person so that this trend comes back, probably because of masculinity, because of the patriarchal society we're living in, because a lot of, I mean, I don't know how true I'm over here, but because a lot of women have been getting equality and empowerment to a level.
yeah.
Some of them have misused that name, of course, but I think because of that, maybe some insecure, unsettled man wanted to bring his
Uh,
masculinity out in the open picture. Rashmi's laughing.
I really
I don't know. Maybe it's a
Yeah,
signal that
maybe
I'm
this could be
powerful.
one of the reason. I would say this could be one of the reason.
But
But we are,
yeah.
yeah, yeah. You say go ahead. Go ahead.
No, I was just saying that, the Times headline was every 16 minutes there is a rape happening in India. So
Hmm.
that kind of, even though it's not really publicized every case, but it is still happening. And not just, I don't feel, not just the masculinity, because it's about women also who is raping a lot of different people. Uh,
Hmm.
and it's not about the race and the gender, or the identity the person is coming
Yeah,
from.
exactly.
It's more about what is happening inside them, rather than just
Yeah, what is coming? I mean, where is this coming from? That is what is more important, I feel, rather than masculinity or something like that. Because we know we are also one of we have so many friends who have that kind of energy, but they know where to start, where to end, and what to do, what not to do.
You remember
I
we
don't know
studied
where
this
this is coming.
concept called which defense mechanism was it, where a person who has had like really high sexual urges, they do the opposite of it and become saint. What was that defense mechanism?
Reaction formation.
Reaction
Reaction
Reaction.
formation.
formation.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So what Priya was talking about sounded very similar. कि लोगों को, there are probably a lot of perpetrators or monsters like that amongst us. It just feels like, because it has now become so big, it just feels like there are so many amongst us. But now it's just that they know how to kind of do it in a very hidden way, or just project it somewhere, or route it somewhere else, which is more productive. तो अब ऐसे feeling आने लग गई है now after this case has happened, everything has become publicized. Now there is this glass which has become tinted. Yeah, what if this person also thinks about women like this? What if this person is
Exactly.
thinking about me or somebody else like that? They look really nice, they look very educated and everything, but what if they are too, and they're just projecting themselves to be this really great person? If I meet them alone somewhere, they might do something.
Yeah, and also, you know what? Sometimes when I'm with my someone and someone, with some man, and when I'm leaving alone, I'm going somewhere alone. The very first thing is that what time will you back? Will you be back? Because you know how it is when you are alone at night, or when you are alone even after 10 o'clock. You're like, please go home on time. I am concerned about you. And the first thing it comes to your mind is, please don't do this, because it is something that we are facing from childhood, that ये time पे घर पे आ जाओ, please ये time पे आप मत घुमा करो कहीं पे, it is not safe. You are constantly reminded of this thing continue. So
yeah.
that is something that we are facing all the time.
Once I think I was talking to a friend and he said, "Ki, why do you always, why do you, you need to take care of your safety. I know the world is not right and I can't do anything about the perpetrators. but it's like thoda sa, even if the chances of something happening is 1%, that 1% is so severe that we can't risk it. But then I was like, for once I want to forget that I am so unsafe in this country. For once.
Yeah.
And I am ready to put my life at risk on that, because I'm so tired of all the time thinking I'm unsafe. ये करना चाहिए, वो करना चाहिए, नहीं ये वो.
Also, जब हम लोग ऐसे अकेले भी रहते हैं, लाइक व्हेन नीनू एंड वी बोथ वर स्टेइंग टुगेदर, तभी भी हम लोग को कभी ऐसे अकेले रहते थे तो वी यूज्ड टू बी लाइक, अरे मतलब घर से कॉल आ जाएगा कि अरे मम्मी आप दैट आई यू आर स्टेइंग अलोन टुडे, आर यू ओके, या किस यू विल बी अलोन, विल यू बी ओके, विल यू बी सेफ अराउंड एंड ऑल. आई वाज लाइक, अरे यार, even if I am alone, even if I am with someone, I am not safe anyways.
Yeah. Nobody
तो
lets us
कहीं
forget it. ऐसा बोल रहे हो?
हाँ, nobody lets us forget it, and the thing is that कहीं पे भी जाओ आप unsafe तो रहने ही वाले, no matter what. अभी वो है ही
That
नहीं
is
अपने
true.
दिमाग में बैठे होते, तो we have to be that कि अरे होने दो, तो होने वाला और रहेगा तो कहीं पे भी होने वाला है. It's like that. अब ये
Yeah.
हो गया है mindset अपना.
Yes.
And that is like a
That's
so
sad
wrong
thing.
mindset, even if we are sitting in a cab and we don't want to make a conversation with that person who's sitting ahead, just because कि ज्यादा friendly हो गए तो क्या बोलेगा, and we don't
क्या
want to
कभी
like,
सोचेगा
ज्यादा
कि कोई she's ready, maybe मैं कुछ
yeah,
कर
yeah,
सकता हूँ.
Signal.
yeah,
और अभी कभी ऐसे भी हो जाता है ना कि वो अगर हम भी नहीं हो रहे फिर भी वो होना चाहते, वो बातें करते हैं हमसे, तो फिर भी हमारे अंदर वो बैक ऑफ द माइंड ये
Back of
होता
the
है
mind
कि
रहता
व्हाई
है.
इज टॉकिंग टू मी सो मच.
yeah.
हाँ,
And I think
Suddenly
it's
interest
इसका
इसको करने लग गया.
it's not with I don't it's just with these people who are like as cab drivers or strangers. You'd see that even if you're going to a party with really known people, and if there's this guy who walks up to you, you probably know about this person, have to really talk to them. But if they come and talk to you, you're like, why is he talking to me? What is going on in his mind? So should I even talk? Should I even have a normal conversation with this person? Or will this risk क्या बोलते हैं मेरे को बाद में जाके ये मेरी लाइफ पे रिस्क हो जाएगा. It's really really bad.
और
You
कभी
know
कभी
what I do at the situation if I have a cab driver or a auto, वो Ola जो Ola Ubus जो होते हैं मुंबई में, you know what I used to do before that? I used to like sit in with my earphones plugged in, क्योंकि वो बात करता रहता था, मैं रिप्लाई नहीं करती थी. एंड देन व्हेन ही यूज्ड टू लुक इन द रियर मिरर कि मैं कुछ बोल नहीं रही हूँ, मैंने कुछ पहना है, वो थोड़ी ना बोले कि अरे मैम मैं बात कर रहा हूँ, सुनो ना करके. खत्म, कॉन्वर्सेशन उधर ही खत्म.
But
That I guess that
कॉन्वर्सेशन
really helped
करना
me
इज
get
नॉट
through a lot more. हाँ,
सी कॉन्वर्सेशन करना इज नॉट अ प्रॉब्लम दैट इफ द पर्सन, बट वो रहता है ना कि अरे व्हाई इज ही टॉकिंग टू मी, इज ही आई एम
because so
इफ आई एम
much
टॉकिंग
has happened, right? So much
Yeah,
has happened.
एग्जैक्टली.
You don't know how to conduct yourself now,
so much
especially as a woman.
और वो भी होता है ना कि हम बचपन से हम लोग को सिखाया जाता है कि प्लीज
hmm.
डोंट टॉक टू स्ट्रेंजर्स, यू
Hmm.
माइट, यू डोंट नो व्हाट विल हैपन. तो अपने
you know,
दिमाग में वो भी एक रहता है.
something opposite happens with me. I want to strike up a conversation to appear more confident, to appear. Also, I take care that the person would be offended that I am thinking of him as a perpetrator. तो मैं नॉर्मल दिखने की कोशिश करती हूँ ताकि उसे बुरा ना लगे कि मैं उस पर शक कर रही हूँ. These things happen. And I should not come off as rude so as to hurt his male ego, and then he would do something. I should not do anything that would put an idea of taking revenge from me. So there's a whole mathematical equation जिसमें 10-12 variables हैं, and I'm
It's
all the time
exhausting
calculating.
the end
अरे
of it.
very much
It's exhausting.
exhausting.
फिर मैं
I
करूँ
remember
क्या?
this famous influencers because of this incident they had made some poetry or something. They were just it was like a monologue which was very rhythmic and everything. But उसमें वो बोल रहे थे कि if I am a friend, I'm friends with a particular guy. तो इट इज मी हु हैज टू बी केयरफुल कि उसको मेरी मतलब उसको मेरे लिए फीलिंग्स नहीं आ जाए. ठीक है, आई हैव टू बी केयरफुल अबाउट दैट, फीलिंग्स नहीं आ जाए.
Yeah.
फिर अगर मैं मना कर दूं तो वो क्या बोलते हैं रिजेक्ट होके उसका ईगो हर्ट ना हो जाए और वो मेरे ऊपर एसिड ना फेंक दे. दैट इज व्हाट द
हाँ.
स्टेटमेंट वाज कि हमको
Yeah, I was
take
just
care.
when she was talking about this now, I was just thinking about that acid incident only because she got over friendly and she rejected that guy. So that guy was like कि अच्छा इसका acid फेंक के मेरे को नहीं मिलेगी तो किसी को नहीं मिलेगी.
तो
And even
Told to assume कि as it हो जाएगा तो मैं किसी को नहीं मिलूंगी.
फिर तुझे चाहिए. नहीं फिर वो वापस जाएगी भी क्यों क्या उसके पास से? अरे आसिफ
पास
देख क्या अब तो I
हाँ
don't know.
मतलब
बट किसी और को मिल सकती हूँ कोई ढंग का इंसान।
I don't know, but even after studying this for like 5 years, I still don't understand the psyche behind this. तुम एसिड फेंकने के बाद मतलब क्या लगता है तुमको? She'll come back running to
No,
you.
it's just that
मतलब लगता
satisfaction,
क्या है?
Just the satisfaction of the
मतलब
rejection.
तुम्हारे दिमाग में आता नहीं है क्या कि भाई you could actually go behind bars and there are like serious consequences for your actions? नहीं आता दिमाग में?
There are no
Yeah,
consequences.
there
I
is
That's the
think
main
it's
exactly
point.
there are no
more along the
consequences.
lines
And but
कि यार what Astha was saying ना कि मेरी नहीं हो सकती तो फिर किसी की नहीं होगी. Plus it takes a very good and strong psyche to come out of that
yeah,
state. पहले तो वो pain से deal करो, फिर उसके बाद society के तानों से deal करो, फिर the fact that you view yourself as a different person and now when you look at the mirror you see yourself as a different person, उससे deal करो. So it takes a lot of like a very strong psyche to deal with somebody like something like that, and most of the girls aren't able to. Like honestly, वो एक चल रहा था कि अब तो ये कहीं की नहीं छोड़ा है मैंने इसको, एक वैसा चीज हो जाता है.
but are you
And you know,
seeing
on
this thing that how all five of us as like women, uh, we are calculating each and every step of us, and if we include a male in this conversation, he'll be like, "Acha, are you thinking so much already? Are you like इतना सोचना पड़ता है क्या? इतना करना
हाँ,
पड़ता है
और
क्या एक
कभी
छोटी
भी,
सी चीज के लिए?"
and you know, interesting part is they might think this much for us. Like my
कि
male
मेरे
friend
लिए तो
might
लग
think
रही है.
that much for me, but not for himself.
Yeah.
Yeah, I noticed that when you told me कि भाई तुम्हारे लिए बोल रहा था but मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ वो तो नहीं सोच रहा था कि as a even as a citizen or even as a person
Yeah.
something small from your end to prevent the whole thing to make it more like a model behavior kind of thing कि भाई एक इंसान कर रहा है कोई दूसरा कोई you know what I mean
Yeah. So
कि
it's like their behavior will be like more supportive towards you कि चल यार अगर तू अकेली जा रही है तो हम छोड़ के आते हैं. Like my college friends will be like कि एक certain part of the area was very difficult. So they were like कि ये part तो मैं क्रॉस करके ही तुझे छोड़ूंगा. यहाँ से मैं ऐसे नहीं जाने दूंगा. There was slum area between our my college and my house. So if even if I have to go late at night, so either they will be like कि नहीं I'll drop you till your like colony के gate तक and whatever. From there you can just walk in. एंड दे वर सो लाइक इन द माइंड कि नहीं छोड़ना ही है. वो चीजें थी उनके दिमाग में, बट वो उतना कैलकुलेटिव होते उतना ही होते. बट जैसे वी आर लाइक वी आर प्लानिंग कि अरे नहीं यार 7 o'clock हो रहे हैं, वी हैव टू लीव, वी हैव टू डू दिस, वी हैव टू कैरी समथिंग विद अस, और you should always have something in your bag to prevent yourself from all these situations. They don't. I'm saying
Always.
personal precautions is not that much for them.
Yeah.
हाँ because they're like हम तो कुछ नहीं कर सकते हमारे about men but we can at least help you
Yeah.
So while when you were saying as to what goes on behind the acid attacker's
yeah
psyche, I wonder if they have a method of compartmentalizing their own moral values and their
I was thinking the same thing too कि भाई you
are they
need
able
like what
to
Rashmi also saying you need a strong psyche शायद उसके साथ साथ compartmentalizing is like the like really difficult to do एक तो and I think you can do that only like what Rashmi said कि you have to go through a lot to do that
I think it's more
this
of a
is
power trip, to be really honest. कि we
yeah but
have
then if you're doing if you
evolutionary.
have a power trip if you have a power trip then it just you don't have to compartmentalize your ego totally takes over that right I mean correct me if I'm wrong
नहीं,
and
I'm
also
talking
how do you
about what goes
justify in
behind. No, I'm
that?
talking about what goes
Huh.
behind something like that. So evolutionary, we have all been, कैसे we assert our dominance. तभी आप ऊपर आओगे. तो you had to kill somebody to assert your dominance in ऐसे करके. So as and when you do something like this, you're able to bring somebody down. Then you are ऊपर चला जाता है. तो वो एक पावर ट्रिप होती है कि मैंने इतना सब कुछ कर दिया और मैं फिर भी चौड़ के बैठा हूँ. मैं आज भी मोमो खाने जा रहा हूँ. मेरे को कोई कुछ नहीं बोल रहा. एंड मैंने एक बंदे की जिंदगी खराब कर दी है. So that in itself makes you feel like you're a god or something, that you have been able to escape every um, step or every law that has been placed against such brutality, if at all. अगर वो थोड़ा सा भी वो क्या बोलते हैं 5 दिन की जेल वाला भी, I have escaped that also and I'm just a free bird. So that might be something which is very difficult to evade. प्लस एक वो जिल्टेड लवर वाला चीज होती है ना, देन तो एक तो वो अलग चीज है ही, that they themselves don't have any
See,
control over it. इतना anger
but don't you think the crux of that, of having that power, has been fed into our minds through history books and through everything? Ki bhai, man is the breadwinner, women is the housemaker, men are more powerful with this. That's why we have an entire patriarchal system. So तो वो thought को लेके इतना twist करके इतना गलत तरीके से project कर दिया है ना कि
And I'll tell you one thing
power
about power is like how we were saying ना कि इतना guts कैसे आ जाता है कि वो मतलब इतना कॉन्फिडेंट है कि वो बंदा कि अब मुझे कुछ होगा नहीं, इवन तो 5 दिन में जेल में रह के आ रहा हूँ, क्या ही फर्क पड़ रहा है. इट स्टार्ट्स वेरी स्मॉल, वेयर दे स्टार्ट लाइक कि हाँ एक एक शिफ्ट से कि आई कैन दे स्टार्ट विद दिस, आई कैन कंट्रोल दिस वन पर्सन, नाउ आई एम कंट्रोलिंग दिस अनदर पर्सन, नाउ आई हैव दिस पावर ओवर दिस पर्सन, नाउ आई हैव अ होल कॉलेज टू dominate, and now I have the government and politics to dominate. Now I have this much power to dominate. So that is another angle completely of like why this is happening. But it starts very small at very early age. Very early age, where like even from like North India, if you go and see, like if you have been in UP, I am in Delhi. I have seen the treatment of a mother is really bad. So the person who treats his mother really badly, why he'll be even have emotional value to a woman? Because like औरत को तो ऐसे ही treat करते हैं, because they have seen that the mother has been treated by the in-laws or by whatever, or the father or whatever the family members really badly. So there is no compartmentalize, वो moral उनके लिए normal है कि औरतों को तो वो ऐसे ही treat करते हैं.
I've seen boys, the boy
Yeah.
child treating his mother badly in the same way that the husband treats the mother.
Yeah.
Husband treats the wife.
because
he
you're
was
learning to see, the child will always see how parents behave. That's why many a times psychologists or therapists tell the parents during counseling कि भाई अपने बच्चों के सामने लड़ाई झगड़ा मत किया करो, because your child will pick up on that. And that is what a lot of it happens because it's natural. देखो झगड़ा, you can't plan it and do it, है ना, like, but you have to be more mindful and aware कि कहाँ कर रहे हो.
And
also
कहाँ कर रहे हो से ज़्यादा, how are you, like even if in anger, how are you talking to the person? So that is like the emotional development of child. That is the emotional intelligence we want to develop in a child, which is lacking so much. Yeah, yeah.
I was saying that from the discussion I've been able to like ऊपर से I've been able to kind of summarize 3 points. एक was कि अपना upbringing, because we see and then we enact. Second, we are
Yeah.
like biologically more attuned कि एक gender ऐसा है तो वो दूसरे को oppress कर सकता है. And तीसरा could be those emotional power trip and everything. इसके अलावा lack of, I think, lack of proper justice and a streamlined process of working against these things could be another cause of why something like that is happening, right? These are the 4 things
I
could actually summarize.
I would like to add one more point in this. We have always learned like those, unconscious mind ke teen types. Remember the ego and super ego. So over here, I think that the person who is committing this crime, the id plays a very big part over here, because the person is not concerned about anything what is doing wrong or morally is correct or not. Only thing he wants is his sexual gratification. That's it.
The id and
Right?
lack of super ego also है. अगर कुछ regulatory
Yeah,
body
right.
होती है control कर सकते हो उस super ego से.
Yes.
No,
So lack of
more
super
than-
ego, completely agree.
more than lack of superego, because superego develops by the values of parents. So superego के
I was coming
वो
to
ही
that.
flawed है.
Yeah.
Yes, I was coming to that only. कि because now अभी बचपन से अभी whatever the child wants, अरे no, I will give it to you. अभी भी हम लोग भी we also do the same. We also want for our child the same thing. कि हमारा बच्चा जब भी होगा, we will give him whatever he wants. I mean, जो मुझे नहीं मिला, I will give it to him or whatever. So वही चीज हमारे पेरेंट्स ने शायद की हो या फिर किसी के पेरेंट्स ने की हो. तो वो उसकी वजह से द पर्सन डजंट नो दैट यू नो मुझे तो जो चाहिए था वो मुझे मिल चुका है, सो व्हाई नॉट दिस, आई वांट दिस टू.
नेक्स्ट
So this
चीज
is
चाहिए मुझे
also one of
ऐसा
the
है।
reason. Yes, this is the next चीज also कि मुझे ये चाहिए,
हम्म।
objectifying basically कि मुझे ये भी चाहिए, मुझे चाहिए तो चाहिए. I don't care about the person who is in front of me.
Do you think if we actually conduct a study on these people, like a proper clinical study, all of them would have some sort of oppositional defiant disorder? All of them. Do you think so?
Yeah,
You
I
never
don't think so.
know.
So
I don't think so.
when I was working
This
in Thane Mental Hospital now, so there was a one sections of murderers and rapists that nobody could enter, not even a guy could enter. So we have like
That I know.
groups.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, so we have groups like we go do internships in Thane Mental Hospital. You can't enter the rapist and the murderers section, and it is completely closed off inside the campus. So normally it's like कि एक एक कैंपस का वो अंदर अंदर सबके सेग्रीगेटेड है, बट एक कैंपस के अंदर एक एरिया है जो completely segregated and you can't enter it. So that's why it's get difficult to research on these people also, because it takes a lot of power to get to them actually and talk to them, because it's like
a lot of
never know.
power, security,
Yeah,
सब
yeah.
कुछ भी. You never know. I don't know
Eh,
how many of you
yeah,
watched Wrong Turn, but ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए कि somebody takes off something off of you and like opens the gate and like escape. ऐसा होता है. Like there's a lot of
yeah. So there are cases of runaways there and things like that, suicidal attempts and everything also there. But the quality of like report that I could get and read, they were having a lot of issues in their childhood, in their some upbringing years, and in their age of failure, and how they are spoken to,
Hmm.
how they're spoken to like completely, even if the problem is like as simple as like अभी हम लोग अपने दिमाग में नेविगेट कर लेते हैं कि कोई हमसे कैसे बात कर रहा है, ठीक है यार मम्मी है छोड़ दो, या पापा है छोड़ दो. नहीं, इनके दिमाग में वो रैशनल कंपोनेंट की लैक बहुत ज्यादा है, because they can't rationalize what they have heard a lot, and they are like नहीं हो सकता, नहीं हो सकता. And this topic of neglecting their mental health also is a bigger thing, like a child's mental health. If you know that there is an issue with the child, don't neglect it saying that कि हमारा child तो normal है, हमारा child
For I
को
cannot
कोई
tell.
काउंसलिंग की जरूरत नहीं है, या मेरे even if it's a female
There are
child.
parents even right now. There are
Yeah,
parents not only like ऐसे नहीं कि जो मतलब educated नहीं है या ऐसा कोई parent है जिनको idea नहीं. They are very good, well educated people, and they are the ones who are saying.
अरे इन
And
सब से तो
when
पता
I
चल
was
ही गया होगा ना
teaching,
प्रिया, एजुकेशन प्लेज जीरो दिस थिंग इन
zero.
exactly,
yeah, completely.
exactly, education plays zero role.
it's
तो
doctor,
और यही
lawyer,
पे जाता है.
everybody's doing it. I actually want to
Right.
circle back to what Pratiksha said in the beginning कि does it need to be this brutal to be talked about in everything? अभी जैसे ये वाला केस आया था इसी वीक में, and before that there were no cases, there was genuinely nothing there, and now there are all of a sudden this case is definitely there. Now there are 7 more cases कि एक झारखंड में हो रहा है with a छोटी बच्ची, then there is another one उत्तराखंड में हो रहा है where this nurse is getting raped, and then there is another
A
one in
2-year-old
Haridwar.
got
Like it's
yeah,
just
a
all of a
2-year-old
sudden.
got raped.
Yeah, in the
So
and then
मेरा
the
बच्चे का
people,
नहीं
there
छोड़
are
रहे यार.
and there are so many
So
people
this
saying कि अरे उसने ऐसे किया, पहन वो कपड़े भी ऐसे पहनते, उसने ही हिंट दिया होगा, उसको ये ऐसे करे. और
वो
2
सब तो
साल
ठीक
की
है, I was
बच्ची
like कि ये
बेचारी.
आए क्यों नहीं, why were these cases not brought into light as and when they happened, and why only when this big news came now you are comfortable कि चलो अच्छा हमारे पास एक लॉन्च पैड आ गया है now, because अगर इतना बड़ा केस पे सारा फोकस इधर है तो हम अगर बोलेंगे इस चीज के बारे में तो शायद जो परपेट्रेटर है वो हमको आके हार्म ना करे. आई फील दैट समथिंग लाइक दिस हैपन कि आप उसकी आड़ में ऐसे केसेस निकालते हो कि हमको या हमारी सेफ्टी को कुछ ना हो. नाउ दैट वी स्टार्ट टॉकिंग अबाउट इट बिकॉज
Not,
everybody is talking
हाँ,
about it. I feel
I would
something like
say
that is
कि
happening.
I don't think so. This is what is happening. I think so
Hmm.
कि just because of the society, हम
Hmm.
जब अगर मेरे साथ भी ये हो तो सबसे पहले अगर मैं अपने पेरेंट्स को बताती हूँ, तो सबसे पहले पेरेंट्स के दिमाग में क्या होगा कि तुम कहीं पे जा मत, ये नहीं करना, वो मत करना आपसे. दूसरी चीज, किसी को बताना नहीं है, भले कुछ भी हो जाने दो. वी कैन नॉट डू एनीथिंग बिकॉज व्हाट कैन बी डन.
No, they'll be like
Six
police. When
case.
you say like go to police or put an FIR, they'll be like नहीं इतना बड़ा हो जाएगा, पुलिस कुछ नहीं करेंगे,
हाँ
हमारा नाम
वही
खराब हो जाएगा, लोग क्या
और
कहेंगे. This is
एग्जैक्टली
what comes
बहुत लोगों
out.
को पता चल जाएगा ये वो और
I'm
दिस
like,
इज just because this case came out तो उनको भी एक वो that
Courage
thing
मिल गया.
in us कि अरे हाँ could be one of that reason कि courage मिला हो कि या
I'll
just
tell you,
है ऐसी चीजें होती है और मुझे भी ये बताना चाहिए कि मेरे साथ भी ये हुआ है तो could be one of the reason.
yeah.
Then
I'll
again,
tell you
it
one more
shouldn't.
thing.
We shouldn't have to wait for such a huge incident. At the end, क्या हो गया? That girl died, ना?
Yeah,
मर गई ना. You had to wait for her death to speak up.
yeah.
See, that's the thing.
हाँ,
It's
आज
so
चैन नहीं
normalized.
Again, yeah, normalized नहीं है ना proper consequences है उनके लिए ना कोई law है जिसकी वजह से कोई if they come out तो उनको ही victimize करके उनके ऊपर ही ज्यादा
So
pressurize हो कि ये सारी चीजें
I'll tell you what
is
happens in
that
court. Like if a parent is also supportive, okay, and they are like कि let's fight for the case of the child, whatever the child is, like कि उसके साथ हुआ है कुछ भी कोई भी problem हुआ है and they go to the court, okay. So first of all, the child has to go to counseling, okay, in court also. So whatever condition the child is coming on, they don't care what condition the child is, they have to go to counseling, and then the child is completely brutalized in every court hearing or whatever the person is, like victim, we call it as a victim like in India. So that victim is brutalized in everyday situation in the court. So when I was doing and learning child psychology, the first thing that the counselor told us, the child is called a name and a number has given to a child when they enter the court. Okay, so case number so and the child walks in the or the victim walks in the room, and then in the stand the child has to repeat everything, or the victim has to repeat everything that has been done from the
Which
start
is
of what they have
true.
wore to the time what time they walked in, what time what happened, how many minutes that the person has taken to do something to
exactly
them, and what did they do after it, and how do they actually calculated it, and then hence went to the police or went to somebody for help. So उसके बीच में क्या हुआ, वो कपड़े का क्या हुआ, and then that the clothes are on display to the child or to the
exactly
victim, and
and
completely
ugly.
even if the child goes after 2 or 3 days it does not the case is not registered because it does not मतलब वो semen will be I don't know what it does not count तो that is one of the case ये सारा exhausting हो जाता है पता है victim के लिए
बहुत ज्यादा.
कि मुझे वापस वही चीजें repeat करनी traumatized जो होते हैं already and they have to repeat all this so anyone would
I heard a podcast by Cyrus. You know Cyrus Bro. I don't remember of the last.
Yeah. Yeah.
He was in conversation with this lady who had been raped when she was I think 10 years old by 8 men, and she said this one statement: "Ki after everything had happened, after I had talked about it and everything, I came to know, I came to this realization कि this is that one crime in our country जिसमें आपको basically सजा victim को मिलती है. Like this is one of those crimes जहाँ पे victim is the one who's considered guilty of being uh, like the situation happening to them. It's like one of the only crimes that happens in our country जिसकी सजा भी victim को ही मिलती है.
I had a concern regarding reporting of such crimes that there are many layers till you reach justice. So first you come to terms with it yourself, तब आप किसी nearest को बता पाओगे. Then so first layer is you yourself have to be able to speak about it. Second layer is parents. Parents don't want it to go out of the family. Third layer is even if parents go out of the family, if God मतलब ये मान के चल रहे हैं कि there are no secondary relatives and पड़ोसी and what not,
जो बोलते कि मत जाओ and don't talk about it.
then it goes on to the police station. पुलिस स्टेशन पे एफआईआर नहीं होती है, वहां आपको और ट्रॉमेटाइज किया जाता है. एफआईआर हो गई तो उस पर प्रोसेसिंग नहीं होती है, प्रोसेसिंग हो गई तो कोर्ट केस ट्रॉमेटिक है, कोर्ट केस ट्रॉमेटिक हो गया, यू योरसेल्फ हैव टू प्रूव
that
things.
you are
उसके
a
बाद
victim, that you have to prove their action.
yeah, forensics don't work properly and what not. अब जाके तो, और उसके बाद इंसाफ नहीं मिलता, जस्टिस नहीं मिलती बिकॉज इट्स डिलेड.
Yeah,
Yeah.
and then
So there are
when
so
Speaking
you
of
many.
forensics,
back to the same thing कि तुमने ही करा है भाई, क्यों उठाया, तुम आराम से शांति से बैठ के, it could have passed, now you have raised it, so now you deal with
Because that's
everything.
easier.
It's your issue, your problem. Circles back to that only.
Yeah.
do
Because
you
that's
think it's
easier
do you
to.
think it's also because I don't know. I mean, I could be completely wrong, but do you also think it's they're too because it's such a huge process and they've been seeing these cases over a while आके पुलिस में आके बताते हैं ये एक पूरा झंझट जैसा हो जाता है उनके लिए. Do you think they just decide to tell कि नहीं भाई हमको नहीं करना है ये तुम्हारी गलती है एक्सेप्ट कर लो निकल जाओ यहाँ से.
Dude, it's such a common statement in our Indian families. अब इस सब में कौन पड़ेगा?
हाँ,
और सबसे पहले तो हमारे दिमाग में ये है कि अरे यार पुलिस का झंझट क्यों, मतलब कौन जाए
वही.
यार. ऑलरेडी
मतलब we are so
टका
done
ऑलरेडी.
with how hope I'm like look at how hopeless the
Hopeless.
system is. It's like
Yeah.
कौन झंझट
Exactly.
पड़े. Yeah?
So if you don't know like a high case lawyer, if you don't know a high case police person, your case won't
You
push it
need
very
contacts.
aage. So the middle class families and the lower middle class family don't want to push it because it's so much of money, so much of
Yeah.
power that you need to make it so ahead कि वो आए. And somehow मेरे दिमाग में जब हम लोग ये सब बात कर रहे थे, आमिर खान शो सत्यमेव जयते used to come about it.
Yeah,
It used to be about rapes and talking about women's empowerment and things like that. That got shut down so long back because it was completely about women.
And they talked really freely and in a
And
very
yeah,
mature
They
manner.
shut it down. मुझे लगा सीरीज खत्म हो गया. They shut it
बंद
down.
हाँ
ये
मुझे भी
बंद कर
वही
दिया,
लगा.
बंद हो
He
गया था
must have got some political
because a
कुछ
lot
तो
of
हुआ होगा backend में for it to shut
people's
down.
name came up. A lot of repercussions for police and lawyers came up. And I think because of what was happening so much कि इतना ही ज्यादा हो रहा है and people were like कि यार कितने लोगों के साथ हुआ है and they were describing in details everything that this is happening, that is happening, this has happened. And even the actors were saying that it's very normal to happen. Like on the podcast there's one, I think feminist something podcast is there, again on this, I forgot the name of the person who runs that podcast. he उसके podcast में भी यही है कि यार इतना normal है ना कि हर लड़की आके बोलती ही है कि कुछ ना कुछ उसके साथ हुआ ही है. मतलब एटलीस्ट दिस इज लाइक कि अरे टच तो किया ही होगा. ऐसा तो हो ही नहीं सकता कि
फोन में बोल उसने
नहीं
कैजुअल टोन में बोल.
नहीं वो कह रहे कि यार मेरे यहाँ पे भी जो नॉट कैजुअल टोन, ही इज लाइक कि इतना नॉर्मलाइज बना दिया है ना which shouldn't be very normal in India.
हाँ
He was saying in that sense कि इतना नॉर्मल बना दिया है ना कि लड़कियों को लगता है कि हाँ यार एक दो बार तो टच हो गया तो हो गया, अब उसके लिए क्या ही कर लेंगे. कहते इतना नॉर्मल नहीं होना चाहिए ये चीज को कि कोई आपको टच करके जा रहा है एंड यू आर बिहेविंग लाइक नथिंग इज हैपनिंग, आई जस्ट वांट टू रन अवे फ्रॉम यू.
Yeah, justice
I
shouldn't be
have
so
heard
hard,
people
man. I
saying
mean, these
कि
people formed a
I have
government and security
actually
to
heard
keep
people
people
saying कि
safe.
टच ही हुआ ना, you weren't कुछ ऐसा इतना उससे ज्यादा बुरा तो नहीं हुआ ना, तो ठीक है. इतना ज्यादा desensitize हो गए इस चीज से, it's so irritating.
इतने सारे layers हो गए for you to be traumatized. मतलब हाँ इतना ही level of traumatized हो गया, so it's
हाँ,
normal. अच्छा उतना
traumatization
level
का
of traumatized हो गया, अच्छा maybe we can work on it.
You know,
इतना trauma तो सब लोग सहते हैं, so don't worry. It's like it's not a big deal.
हाँ
अरे क्यों
it's
भाई
like
टच क्यों कर रहे हो तुम? अपने हाथ अपने पास रखो ना, खुद को टच करो.
you know you go
क्या
to
है ये?
you go to a party and you expect a distance from a male person or the people around you to have a like you maintain distance from people that you are dancing with. You only dance with your own group and you are like I should have a distance, but there's this people of group like वो जानबूझ के they come ahead and you like and now like देखेंगे तो सही, चिपकेंगे तो सही, how much you can do ना डांस, कितना वो एरिया कितना कम होता है.
No, I
इतना
really
नॉर्मल
remember this happening. And so I had a whole strategy to get because we used to go with a group of girls. I was like, I learned dance steps or I basically memorized a few things which would hurt them back. But like it was like this so that I hurt them back if they touch
we
me.
have to.
Ah.
हाँ
Like,
अभी
exactly.
even in the train bro, even in the train Even in the train, we have to learn this. कि अरे चलते चलते भी you have to keep your hands like this. My father taught me this. You have to keep your hands like this. तो तेरे आजू बाजू कोई आएगा ना तो you have to just push him with your pony or
With your
something like
elbow
that.
because it hurts like a
Even
bitch, man. ये this even my
yeah,
friend taught me too. But ये
हाँ,
जब गोवा में थे तब
even you
ऐसे
have to
ऐसे करके ही निकलो, कोई कुछ नहीं बोलेगा. थप्पड़ मारो
हाँ
किसी को भी अब, और बोलो सॉरी यार एक्सीडेंट से हो गया.
हाँ,
Anything,
you have
anything.
मतलब
दूसरी
मारो बड़ी
चीज
की
you have
सॉरी भी
अरे
बोली.
भाई
Yeah.
मेरी दीदी ने ये किया था. I swear I remember still and laugh at sometimes, you know. हम लोग चल रहे हैं दादर ब्रिज is alwaज full. एनी टाइम जाओ it is always full. ठीक है.
Right.
तो we were going from this satsang and everything. We were going home. तो वहां से हम लोग जा रहे and the guy as he was older अंकल ही था शायद से. तो जा रहे थे he touched by walking. वो टर्न हुई और वो बहुत गंदे तरीके से टच. दीदी ने तो जोर उसको ऐसे ऐसे हाथ पकड़ा और इतनी जोर से चिमटे काटी उसको और मैंने देखा वो.
No, you
I
have
lost
to
it.
do these things because you know कि this is like your small way of getting your justice.
Yes.
I will do this and I'll get it back,
Exactly.
because if I go and tell somebody बखेड़ा खड़ा होएगा, nobody will
Yeah.
believe me. I'll do this small justice and I'll do it for myself. मैं लात मारूं, मैं
Yes.
छुट्टी काटूं, मैं ये करूंगी, but I'll get my justice back
But
in
एक
some way or the other.
एक इसका ऑपोजिट भी मैंने बॉम्बे मेट्रो में ही देखा है. आई वाज ट्रैवलिंग फ्रॉम घाटकोपर टू वर्सोवा and I was in that Bombay metro. I'm talking about 2.5 years ago. So a guy is sitting, okay, and the woman walks in, and he's not sitting in the ladies' seat or anything, okay, just sitting. After work, hours, like after 6 o'clock, every and good-looking person and minding his own business, and the woman just walk in and tells him, "Ki get up." He's like, "Why would I get up? It's not a reserved seat." And he said very politely, I was sitting right opposite to him. He's like, "Why would I get up? It's not like a restricted seat. You can go to a restricted seat and you can sit." And he's like, she's like, औरत है देखता नहीं है. तो इसने कहा ना, अरे इसमें देखने की क्या बात है, आप कहीं और जाके बैठ जाओ. तो she didn't listen and she just slapped him so hard, and the whole crowd was like कि ये लड़के ने कुछ किया. And I was like, I am sitting right opposite, लड़के ने कुछ भी नहीं किया. उसने टच भी नहीं किया. He was in a very maintained distance from the woman, and the woman just walked in and said उठो. So he's just refused to get up, and she slapped him really hard. And the half of the metro thought that the guy did something.
But the guy did
सीधा
something.
वेड़ा है तो उसको चाटा मार
ऐसा
दिया.
भी ऐसा
पता
भी
है
एक सिचुएशन
पता है
होने की
इस वाले
like
पार्ट
you're
में ना,
blaming men unnecessarily if they've not even done anything.
Yeah,
and
yeah,
you know
yeah.
what,
ये
इस
तो हो
वाले
रहा है.
पार्ट में, अपने पॉडकास्ट इस वाले पार्ट में, there would be those 4 people जो वो बोलते हैं ना, not all men, they'll be like, ये देखो, this is what we are talking
हाँ
about, that not all men are like this.
exactly
I'm absolutely sure
exactly
people are like that, going to comment on this like that.
yeah.
Huh,
You know
it's, all
there
men
shouldn't be
aren't
this.
like that.
Yeah.
But
No,
some
But
men are ruining
but
the image of good men as well.
now we know that,
no
but
वही
they
सारे
would
मत
use, they would use this as an opportunity to justify the fact that it's not all men that some girls are talking about. Like, it's not the point. That is not
and
the
you don't
point.
always have to say कि अरे मैं वैसा नहीं हूँ, मैं ऐसा कभी नहीं कर सकता हूँ भाई.
It's like तुम
भाई
किसको
पूछा
बता
क्या,
रहे हो, खुद को
तू
कि
वो
हमको?
दिखा से. Exactly.
Also, regarding this, not all, let's talk about not all men pehle to.
And
If I do not believe this, if I do not believe that all men are like this, I am unsafe. Because any man, not all men, but any man.
yeah.
So if I start believing that no, not all men are like this, I am an unsafe person. That's what my mom has told me कि अगर आप घर से बाहर निकल रहे हो, any man, so you cannot trust any man. So yes, for me, all men. Every man is a danger to me. दूसरा, if you have to hear not all men after every time I put forward my troubles in front of you, how insecure are you? तुम क्या सुनना चाहते हो?
Like, I'm saying कि तुम खुद को बता रहे हो कि हमको बता रहे हो कि हम वैसे नहीं हैं.
It's more like a self affirmation कि भाई मैं ऐसा नहीं हूँ. तो जो भी बोल रही है सही है, but मैं ऐसा नहीं हूँ.
और फिर
सुन
उनके
चुका हूँ
उनको फिर
शनाया.
हमारी तरफ से
sorry.
नहीं it's okay. उनको फिर हमारे तरफ से वो ट्रस्ट फैक्टर भी चाहिए कि just because I said I am not that type of guy, तो फिर you can trust on me always.
And be thankful for it.
हमेशा
And be thankful for the fact that you're not like that. Ki just because you have this
Exactly.
normal decency, ki you're not like that and you haven't done something like that, So we should be thankful कि ओ बाबा you are so decent, so very very thank you कि आप दूसरों के जैसे नहीं हो.
नहीं हो, ये आप नेगेटिव में नहीं जा रहे हो, जीरो पे हो, नेगेटिव नहीं हो तो बहुत अच्छा है.
नहीं, बस वही।
Well, here I would like to shift the focus to women now because there have been a lot of women abusers, femininity के नाम पे and equal empowerment के नाम पे. Just the other day I was reading something, or she got involved with a very innocent guy, and he did everything for her because he really liked her, and I think she wanted something in return. कुछ तो she was creating a havoc, and she's like, um, क्या फेक रेप केस के नाम पे तुमको जेल में फंसा दूंगी, something like that.
And so many women have done that, like so many
Yeah.
cases,
My neighbor
not
the other
I
time,
don't know rape cases, but molestation cases have turned out to be fake.
Yes.
Dowry and not just rape, dowry, uh, not treating me right, and this, things like that. There are people like that also who want to take advantage of these things.
So where
Why
it's
with
not
women?
just-
When you know that women were the prime, I mean, I'm not like completely focusing, but as said in public, ki women were prime focus of victimization in this case, especially. Why do you think women are doing the same thing as men?
See, I think any
Pratiksha say.
any kind of rebellion, it's a reaction, like it's a reaction to the action, but we also need to make sure that that reaction has to be justified for till a point, right? तो मेरे ख्याल से एक वो होता है ना कि अगर जीरो से नेगेटिव जा चुका है, उसको पॉजिटिव करने के लिए हमें बहुत पॉजिटिव जाना पड़ेगा, बहुत ऊपर जाना पड़ेगा, पर वो बहुत ऊपर भी तो गलत है, बहुत उधर जाना भी तो गलत है. सो finding the balance is very difficult here. हाँ,
Can you repeat that question जो तूने अभी बोला, पायल तूने किया वो?
मैं ये बोल रही थी कि because like women were the prime focus for victimization in terms of rape cases, क्योंकि बहुत सारे started with women, like being on women first ना. So after that, when feminism and empowerment came up for women especially, you started seeing cases against women की जहाँ वो fake cases डाल रहे थे, abuse कर रहे थे. Why do you think women are following the pattern of what men were doing before? Was my question.
So for that, I think it is.
बोल बोल बोल.
नहीं बोल
Sorry.
नहीं, I was just saying
it's okay. बोल रश्मि.
because ऐसा हो गया कि इतना दबा दिया है. Now it feels like कि अभी now I've gotten this opportunity, I'll fully make use of this, and I still feel that it's all about power कि अब इतना दबा दिया कि I have to assert my
Yes.
power in some way. तो मैं over करूँ.
yeah.
But
वो जो
then
वो जो ग्लास सीलिंग इफेक्ट था ना, जब वो तोड़ रहे थे, लाइक फॉर हर टू कंटिन्यू द ग्लास सीलिंग इफेक्ट, द वुमन वांटेड टू ब्रेक, दे वर लाइक हमको इसमें भी तोड़ना है. That kind of an ego came in a woman also, कि if a man can take power over me, now I have to take power over them to understand that I can also do this, I can be part of this kind of a situation also.
Again, I would come to ego and super ego here.
Yeah. Ultimately, it's that only, I feel.
Yeah, I feel it is this only, that it plays role when this kind of thing happens, कि जहाँ पे लड़कियां अगर ऐसे अपना पार यूज करे, which is also wrong, I would say, then it is just because they don't know that what they are doing wrong. I mean, what wrong they are doing. They are lacking in their super ego, and again, it is very strong. जिसकी वजह से they are not understanding, and even I would need support for this. भले power हो या कुछ भी हो.
In terms of ego, super ego, I think it is a very reactive thing, no? So it works instantaneously. Even
Yes,
craving, so it works instantaneously. But the things which are premeditated, एक औरत ने अगर सोच के रखा है कि मैं fake case डाल के इसको वो करूंगी, which means something is wrong with the super ego also. And that super ego के मामले में, it is mostly the misinterpretation of justice or misinterpretation of equality. If he can do that to me, I can do that to him.
Yeah, I'll tell you a case. Not sharing much details about it, but the woman saw how her mother was treated after like the father died and things happened, and उसने देखा वो कैसे treat करते हैं. So somehow the interpretation of their mother relationship went into the relationship of their current marriage, and now it's just an interpretation कि उसके साथ ऐसा हुआ था ना, तो I don't want to leave the money and the things behind, because even though I have problems in my relationship, though they didn't solve the problem in the relationship whatsoever and howsoever, I'm not talking about the con- the ego in the head was the it in the head was, I am not going to leave behind what my mother left behind.
So we'll not
So
repeat
I
those
am not
mistakes.
going to be like her. If she was also treated unequally, I won't be treated that way. So that
Right.
kind of
Quick
a
Even
question.
I feel the same.
Sorry, continue. I had a quick question though.
Hmm.
अभी ये जो
हाँ.
justification दिया है, possible justifications जो दिया है about a women's behavior behind this rape of abusing children and men and everything. Do you think even the same justification could be applied to men before they started doing this? They must have been suppressed by their father, abused, or कुछ तो हुआ होगा उनके साथ for them to take up something like this.
Hey, वो तो
But
मतलब ये वही तो that question came because of this कि was was there some sort of oppositional kind disorder होगा क्या इन सब में. Then Asta talked about how there has been some sort of childhood trauma of some sort, but फिर वो
Right.
compensate उसको बहुत ही अजीब तरीके से करते हैं because then they forget about everything. There's no law
yeah.
regulating it, and for a country which is trying to be like about freedom of speech, ये freedom फलाना ढमकाना सब कुछ हो रहा है, तो फिर आप ऐसे लॉस को फिर भूल जाते हो, तो आप करते ही हो आपको.
So,
right.
what would be your overall conclusion to this then? Like, what do you think as we therapists or as the government about what do you think they can do? क्या to stop this basically? What is your opinion? कि भाई क्या कर सकते?
See,
What
when
can
I was
men do? What can as women? What can we do to prevent this? Because there are many women abusers among us. What do you think men can do, and what do you think the government can do? What do you think the government should do? Because
I
frankly
think
speaking, I don't know.
two things I'll tell you, and then you can all add on to it. Two things that I feel. One is even for because of the rape case, there is no sex education, like how we talked about when OMG 2 came out, and there's this. There is no sex education of what is the limit. Like nobody is taught no means no wala situation jo tha. कि a person is telling you a no or whatever it is, the sex education is lacking from so many people that it's just that सेक्स ड्राइव आया तो उसको कंट्रोल कैसे करते हैं, या उसको उसके साथ डील कैसे करते हैं, या मतलब masturbation is one of the things which is like thrown upon, like, but if they could have dealt with it better, they know how to deal with their sexual urges and things like that, and they understand the complexity of a woman and a man more better way, I feel it can go a little more downer, and then the behavior and things can be controlled, like how I go and teach good touch and bad touch to kids rather than very limited section of good touch and bad touch I teach to the kids, ki you should know what kind of touch is not a good touch, even though there are people except, and even sometimes the mother and father touch is also bad, but we say that only in certain behavior that is okay. So the
but
child
again,
who is
we
like
are coming.
8 or 9,
But
उसको हम ऐसे
Asta,
सिखाते
we
हैं
are
नहीं
coming
प्रिया.
back to that only, कि that we will learn how what a good touch and bad touch is. I mean, it is completely good
Yeah,
that we
that's
are
what I'm
teaching
saying,
this.
rather than
But
teaching. Yeah,
right,
I'm saying rather than teaching good touch
okay,
and bad touch, teach them the proper education of sex, कि
okay,
अगर आप
right,
कर भी रहे हो तो उसका क्या क्या रीजन है, क्यों करते हैं, नॉट जस्ट फॉर बायोलॉजिकल रीजन वी डू इट, और
right,
नॉट जस्ट फॉर द अर्जेस वी डू इट. So if it is very normal, like talking about in psychology, like in college the teachers were not talking so openly about all these things, like erectile dysfunction क्या होता है, infidelity क्या होती है, इनको इतना बड़ा बड़ा words बना के रखा है कि people are scared of these terms, like they have to prove कि I am not infertile, so they do it that in that ego also. But if it is like a normal thing and you can overcome all these problems also, if a person doesn't know, so उनको लगता है ना कि मुझे तो प्रूव करना है कुछ. तो मुझे लगता है अगर ये एजुकेशन काइंड ऑफ इन अ राइट वे उनको पता होगा कि हाँ ये हर चीज डीलेबल है, अगर इरेक्टाइल डिसफंक्शनिंग है या इनफिडेलिटी है या कुछ भी प्रॉब्लम है, उसके प्रॉपर मेडिकल सॉल्यूशंस हैं, आपको प्रॉपर केयर मिल सकती है, एंड वो एक नॉर्मल चीज है, एवरी ह्यूमन बीइंग गोज थ्रू दैट। बट वो नॉर्मल नहीं है ना, वो बताया ही नहीं किसी ने, हमको नहीं पढ़ाया, आप छोड़ो दूसरों का काउंसलर्स होके हमको नहीं पढ़ाया ये चीज, जबकि ये प्रॉपर डिसऑर्डर है।
it's like what I पता नहीं, to be in very normal language में it's like आप उस चीज के बारे में इतना बात करो कि पहले उसकी मिस्ट्री हट जाए कि, and then it doesn't feel like an accomplishment when you do it.
Yeah.
You know, it's that Adler's technique, no, spitting in the soup. So if someone gains pleasure from something, you either normalize it or you talk about it in such a manner that it takes away the pleasure from it.
Yeah.
So spitting in someone's soup,
so normal.
it's called.
Just
Yeah,
how we
spitting in
desensitized to these news, just talk about sex and everything so much कि सारी mystery हट जाए, and then it's like it doesn't
Yeah.
feel like an accomplishment कि मैंने कुछ उखाड़ लिया है.
हाँ
Right.
वो एक मतलब मेन यही टॉपिक मतलब यही था यार, जब पता ही, सो अ मेल और अ फीमेल आल्सो डोंट नो अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स अबाउट देयर ओन बॉडी इन दिस वे, दे डोंट अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज हैपनिंग, सो दे आर लाइक कि करना है तो चलो कर लेते हैं।
And Astha, I think
अब
और
मिल
ये
रहा है
इन्फ्लुएंस जो रश्मि बोल रही थी ना कि भाई हमने कुछ उखाड़ लिया है, दिस इज वेरी हेवीली इन्फ्लुएंस्ड विद व्हाट यू वॉच आल्सो. इफ यू सीन लाइक ओल्ड टाइम टीनेज मूवीज जहाँ टीनेजर्स हुक अप इन देयर हाई स्कूल सीनियर ईयर जो भी है, बोल के आते हैं ना अपने ग्रुप के पास कि भाई मैंने कर लिया, इसको पटा लिया मैंने, वही बहुत बड़ी चीज की है,
आज भी
नाउ आई
करते
एम
हैं.
द कूल पर्सन ऑफ स्कूल.
या
Don't get
That also
about
like
education,
gives you a
about
completely
sex
wrong
education.
thought of the entire process. It kind of boosts their male ego.
ego.
I'm the powerful person now. No, now all the girls are gonna like me because I'm famous, मैंने कर लिया and I'm good and whatnot. Shit. What I'm saying is that the entire thought of that itself structures your perception of the entire process of sex, which is wrong because then that turns into something abusive if you don't give it a proper direction of thought and everything.
Yes.
I was just saying कि आस्था ने जो बोला ना कि we have to talk about मतलब sex education and everything होनी चाहिए. The thing is right now it's happening एक session एक साल में. The thing is it needs to happen very formally again and again, and then you need to
And
see
very
the
often.
progress. हर स्कूल में आज एक पॉक्सो का बॉक्स है, लेकिन दे नो कि किस चीज के लिए है, बट उसको कैसे यूज करना है, आपको क्या privileges मिलेंगे. लेट्स से कि if you do come ahead and say something कि you will not be harmed in certain way, वो सब नहीं बताया. एंड एक एजुकेशन क्लास होती है बच्चों को जहाँ गुड टच बैड टच के बारे में बता देते हैं, एंड नो फॉलो अप. वी हैव डन सेक्स एजुकेशन बिकॉज हमने गुड टच बैड टच बता दिया, बस खत्म. देयर इज नो फॉलो अप, देयर इज नो रेगुलर.
कोई या दैट्स
Even in corporates ना पॉश जो होती है ना वो एक ही बार करते हैं, वो भी न्यू कमर्स के लिए. हर साल ये पॉश करना चाहिए अपने एम्प्लॉयज के लिए बिकॉज यू नेवर नो व्हाट हैपेंस.
Have a monthly discussion.
Monthly also, yeah.
Don't make it a questionnaire जहाँ पे आप एक दूसरे के आंसर्स टाप सको. Make it a group discussion. Make it like a group therapy session where everyone shares their experiences.
Yeah.
So
So
the
don't
I feel the
just for the
issue with it also like how I go and approach like government schools and things like that, and that's how it's restricted to good touch and bad touch, because they'll like ki, you know, a lot of family it is already happening and we don't want to highlight it, saying that this is like
And also, you know, what happens is कि एक तो ये है कि that family doesn't allow and stuff that you just said, but again even they have some restrictions and things that अगर हम लोग ने ये सिखा दिया just कि ऐसे करना, whatever sexual education जो भी दिया हम लोग, so they will be very much open to it and they will be very much, you know, ये भी एक डर होता है. तो
लड़की को पर लग जाएंगे, that common thought
teenage
कि लड़की को
pregnancy.
पर लग जाएंगे अगर बता दिया.
parents को भी ले आओ. Parents को भी ले आओ good touch bad touch.
हाँ नहीं देते.
What they need
like,
it, man.
you
A
see
lot of families also need to know because they don't teach their children. Yeah, especially
प्रेगनेंसी पे आ जाते हैं लोग, टीनेज प्रेगनेंसी पे आ जाते हैं, लाइक कि बच्चा हो जाएगा, like contraceptives and these things are also not 100% proved. They will have a kid at 16, 17 who will handle that kid. If you are educating them so much about sex, so they will start doing it only. They will start doing it तो होएगा ही, बच्चा हो जाएगा, बच्चा कौन संभालेगा. So they have these questions to you as a counselor to introducing them for sex education. So there is no limit to it कि कहाँ छोड़ोगे तुम उसके साथ.
Yes.
वो
Yes.
बोलते हैं ना बच्चा
And
होने के टाइम
then
पे लाइक ये शादी के पहले ऐसा कुछ मत करना, शादी के बाद नहीं करो 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 दो
Shall
Send us a timetable. क्या क्या कर रहे हो?
Arranged marriages, you see, oh god, like I was like, okay, you don't know this. Like first, like that is coming up. Na, don't talk to a stranger, then get married to a stranger, like arrange
हाँ
setups and things like that.
I
Okay,
know what is
and
that?
then within 9 months have a kid also with that stranger.
वही I'm like इससे अच्छा कि तुम you know people before your wedding, do it with a stranger, get to know how you work, फिर शादी कर लो. If you like the person, ठीक है.
okay, but let's come
Yeah,
to
So
yeah.
one more thing
Second
that I
point,
want
I
to
want to hear
bring up.
second point, Astha. There were 2 points.
Yeah.
So
Sorry,
Like,
should we actually interlap? Sorry, नहीं continue.
then
बोलो
no
बोलो.
problem.
the second point I wanted was that the education of the parents regarding how to upbring the child. Actually about how to upbring, leave the government, the system, the things, because it's too high level, and lot of fights and laws need to be established there. That is true, but what is in our hands currently is how to upbring a child.
Yeah.
How a child is being upbringed is completely in your hand. Showing the same respect to the girl child and to the male child is like very important, I feel.
My brother sharing this.
Yeah.
If you are educating your daughter on bad touch, make sure your son knows about it too.
Yeah.
Yes.
That's
Oh, yeah.
It's not only for daughters, it's for sons as well.
Yes, so we
Yeah,
need
yeah.
to
सिर्फ लड़-
teach
educate
both.
नहीं कर सकते इस चीज.
and
And
it's
let's
not
bring
it's also for sons, not just because they might do it, but they also go through it.
Yeah, yeah.
Male
Yes.
child go through
And
it also very frequently, so
men
it's
and
very equal.
not only that, but they also should know that even a girl is a human being and not just an object. They should know that whatever they are doing should be in some limits and should know there is something called consent and they should follow that. So
Are
we
consent
explain
and
about
how
it.
many levels of consent is there? ठीक है. We have been taught that no
Consent,
means no.
exactly.
But have we been taught कि
Exactly.
let's say if you're kissing somebody and then they can also say no, but they're okay with kissing, but आपका वो हाँ ना में बदल सकता है and that is okay. So that
Well said.
level of
Yes.
consent also needs
Yes.
to be told and explained and
Yes.
taught.
And there's types of consent: active consent, implied consent, everything.
Exactly.
But what we are following is कि एक सॉफ्टवेयर का सब्सक्रिप्शन की तरह एक के लिए हाँ बोलो, हर चीज के लिए हाँ बोलो. फिर whether you say no or nothing, it doesn't matter because
Yeah.
it's not been taught कि like you guys said active consent and implied consent किस चीज के लिए हाँ
एक
चाहिए,
बार हाँ बोली
किस
ना
चीज
तो
के लिए
मतलब पूरे उसके लिए हाँ है.
हाँ exactly.
वो कल हाँ बोली ना तो आज के लिए भी हाँ
आज
है.
के लिए भी हाँ है. कल तक तो ठीक.
Going back to
हाँ कल तक तो अभी बहुत अच्छी चीजें कर रही थी, आज क्या सती सावित्री बन रही हो kind of comment. People say that, men say that too. It is so annoying. It is so
So
annoying.
now
Yeah.
what kind of
See,
are
the more I talk in the classroom in good touch and bad touch, I have more male child talking about how they have been disrupted nowadays. So like the abruptions of like people waiting outside for the guys is more than for the girls. So जब मैं उनसे पूछती हूँ कि आपको क्या लगता है कि सिर्फ लड़कियों के साथ बोलते नहीं, दोनों के साथ होता है क्योंकि हमारा साथ ये हुआ है. So I ask them their experiences, like talk about it, like what do you want to share about it? Do you want some help about it? So they tell us that there were incidences with the guy child also a lot. And there are people who really want to. So it's just not the thing that they need to know about girls. Also, they need to know about themselves. Also, that where they are also not allowed to be touched by other people.
Yeah.
That is like two things which a parent should also know. And there are a lot of questions about why you have to teach this to the child. It's like this is very important. And one of the parent came and said कि आपको पता है कि इसने इसने उनके हक को भी गलत लेना स्टार्ट कर दिया. मैंने बोला that is your fault that you have not understood the child feeling okay or not okay. उसको इमोशंस और एक्सप्रेशंस नहीं सिखाया. आप सिर्फ ऊपर ऊपर से बता रहे हो कि टच गलत है. उसको बताओ एक्सप्रेशन क्या था. Is the child feeling happy or sad during it? You will hug a lot of people in your life, and you like hugging a lot of people. I explain with hugs also. Like I hug my colleagues. Some of sort of a way we do a side hug to only people who are like आपको appropriate distance पे रखना है, आप नहीं ज्यादा close होना चाहते हैं, आप side hug करते हो. तो उसका क्या मतलब होता है, front hug का क्या मतलब है, और किसके साथ आपको comfortable है कि नहीं है, कौन किसके expression से क्या दिख रहा है, वो सब इमोशनल चीजें आपने बताई नहीं अपने बच्चे को, तो वो कुछ भी प्रेडिक्ट करेगा. वो बोलेगा कि हाँ किसी का भी टच करना मुझे गलत है.
Here also, I think children are sensible or sensitive enough to sense what feels wrong to them.
It's just
Yeah.
that
they do, but फिर बोलने तक कुछ हो जाता है ना.
they know
Yeah,
कि
but
क्या
expression
बोलना है.
not like
Nobody has told exactly what you're saying कि express कैसे करे उस चीज को, and how do I
Yeah.
categorize, वो नहीं हो पाता.
yeah.
Yeah.
So you have to, a parent only can, like I can go and introduce it, but a parent or the teacher who's present every day has to be part of this.
Yes.
या डेली पार्ट में होना चाहिए उनके उस चीज में कि भाई आप आओ, हमको बताओ कि कैसा लगा, इसके साथ कैसा लगा. क्योंकि आप फ्रेंड्स के साथ झगड़ा करते हो, दैट इज ओके. व्हाई द फ्रेंड्स फाइट इज ओके. व्हाई द फाइट विद अ स्ट्रेंजर इज नॉट ओके, बिकॉज यू डोंट नो द लिमिट कि आप कब लिमिट क्रॉस कर रहे हो उसके साथ. तो ये सब चीजें आपको उसको एक एक एक्सप्रेशंस के साथ बताना.
Okay, so education is one
So
way.
quickly,
No.
yeah, education is one way.
Education is good.
So that was two of my ways.
Education.
So quickly before we wrap up, what do you think? Like now we've mentioned that what we can do to prevent it. What do you think the government should do?
Sorry?
The justice
The government
system.
government should
What do you think they
I
should
think
do?
make it more
The layers.
accessible to people. Law should be much more accessible. Like in terms of cybercrime, I think there's a good step, or even consumer forum. It's a good step to just you go on the website, you register a complaint, and you don't need to always go to the court. Such things should happen, and I think a good change came with the POXO Act. So when we were talking about this, how the child is literally, you know, dissected the whole experience in the court. POXO Act requires that a counselor goes to the child's home or wherever the child is comfortable in presence of a parent if the child consents, and then take a statement from the child. The child does not need to be present in the court. So such things should be made so that it's more accessible to people and उन्हें झंझट ना लगे कि अरे वहाँ जाना पड़ेगा, मुझे ये चीजें प्रिंट करवा के लानी पड़ेंगी, इसके साथ मेरा को फोन नंबर देना पड़ेगा, फिर वो कॉल करेंगे, ये वो. So it should be more direct and accessible, easily accessible.
Right.
There is this helpline. I don't know how well it works, but there is this helpline number, child helpline number, that is 1098. I want to say it out loud in this podcast also, that helps a child, but I don't know till what limit they help. I have heard incidences where people are going, they get the help, but I don't know the limit of how much they are helping. Like उसका कितना तक लिमिट है कि वो कोर्ट तक पूरा साथ देते हैं कि नहीं देते, या till the fully filing the complaint तक देते हैं कि नहीं. But they are there. But it's just that lot of people don't know about it. So I go to different school, उनके हर एक के टेक्स्ट बुक के पीछे लिखा होता है child helpline number is 1098, but they never knew what is this child helpline number means unless and until I go and tell them that this is what is actually for. So like किसी ने भी हमको टच किया तो कॉल करने का, ऐसे में उनको समझाना वो चीज is a bigger task.
वही बहुत जरूरी है.
We can do something about the punishments also. I don't know why we are not doing anything about it. Initially we were talking about
Public को दो, the only best. Public को hand over करो.
Like, why are they not pelted with stones? Why are we being
I would say-
humble and like letting it go? Why is the punishment not
I
brutal
would
enough
say
as much as
public
the
को
crime is brutal? नहीं,
नहीं,
I'm just saying
public को
punishment
I
should
would
be as
say-
brutal as जितना crime है, बस इतना ही.
होटल तो
Yeah, I mean
actually
people
दूसरा
are
चीज-
outraged of this.
दूसरा चीज
हाँ
जो
प्रिया बता।
विक्टिम है, जो विक्टिम है
हाँ
उसी
That's
को
what I mean.
डिसाइड
If you
करने
can
दो,
really,
बस
if you can
उसी
really
को
do a
डिसाइड करने
brutal
दो।
crime to a point where you kill the person, bhai, do the same for the perpetrator also, na? That
एग्जैक्टली।
is justice. तो सबको जो satisfaction मिलेगी ना भाई कि at least they did something for her.
And
Bhale
like
she's not there to see it today.
even if the person's hanging, you are like hanging the perpetrator. Please मुझे थोड़ा देखना है यार. मुझे
यस।
देखना है उसको मरते हुए लटकते हुए.
हाँ, I know because that's how angry people are कि भाई you get satisfaction by seeing that person being beaten up to death, beaten up to death by stones, bricks, टमाटर अंडे जो भी है, not
Like how we
टमाटर
were
अंडे.
talking
It's
in
in the
before
first place.
before it happened, like how Emirates has a very clear rules for everything. You know, there I went and I वहाँ पे इतना level of trust है कि मैंने अगर मेरे ड्राइवर को अपना with passport with everything I have given that person ना, that person is more scared than me that he will
Yeah,
lose. He will
right.
lose my bag. He's more
That
scared than
kind
me.
of
He,
love,
I was like,
exactly.
go and keep it in the car. I just told that person, go keep my bag in the car. And we were doing some activities. He held it for an hour for me so that he won't lost it and so that he won't be punished for it. He had that
Yeah.
much scare in his head. That scared is not in India. Like Emirates जाओ सीख
वो
के आओ
फिर
वहाँ
लेके
पे
आना
laws
चाहिए इंडिया में.
उनके लॉस क्या
वैसा
है,
कुछ
उनके
आना
लॉस
चाहिए।
अडेप्ट कर लो इंडिया में. यहाँ पे क्या प्रॉब्लम है वो लॉस लाने के लिए?
Be it men
यहाँ
or
पे
women, even
पॉलिटिक्स।
if it's a male perpetrator or a female perpetrator, the justice, the punishment should be equal. If women demand for equality, then in terms of punishment, it should be equal, even if it comes to throwing
Make the
stones. I mean,
punishment
this
as
is what I
brutal as
feel.
crime is simple. इतनी
Yeah, exactly, as brutal as the crime.
गंदा
Regardless of the gender, it has to be equal. It has to be equal as
या
like as brutal as it
Priya
was for
was
the
talking
crime.
about
Accounting for the
Priya was
competency of
talking
the
about
person.
कि उसको victim को like victim should have a say in how the person needs to be punished. But उस केस में थोड़ा वैसा हो जाता है ना कि यार अब victim के पीछे कौन दबाव लगा रहा है? How many political parties are kind of threatening victim की जान? तो वो
एग्जैक्टली।
मना कर देते
या
हैं और वो सारी
दैट्स
चीजें
व्हाट आई
आएगी
वाज
अगर victim को
थिंकिंग।
हाथ में
I
So
I
you might,
तो वही तो ना,
I feel
and you
पॉलिटिक्स
should
है
never
तो।
give that option in a victim's hand because
yeah.
the victim will never give you the right answer for it. Like Rashmi said कि भाई वो already unstable है, उसके ऊपर they won't be able to think कि कैसे चाहिए the revenge. I mean, some of them will probably do it out of like real anger. कि
नहीं
भाई
मैं
उसको execute करो.
actually
मेरे
have
But
हिसाब
then
से ना
some things
लॉज नहीं लॉज एमिरेट जैसे ही होने चाहिए कि इतने
बस
ब्रूटल है
लाइक
ना
आई एग्री।
कि उसको ही डर लगेगा कि करने से पहले ही बंदा पहले ही डर के वो बैठा है कि डर डर उसको होना चाहिए. नॉट द विक्टिम शुड बी स्कैर्ड. द
yeah.
परपेट्रेटर शुड बी स्कैर्ड कि कुछ करने से पहले ही वो डर गया है इतना ज्यादा कि कुछ नहीं कर सकता.
एग्जैक्टली।
मतलब we have to like move forward with like our it was made in 1947 the whole started and everything it's way above that now. It's been almost 80 years. You have to change laws for everything. I'm not just saying for one thing. I'm saying for everything you should change the law.
But
Just
what
like
about for
there are
fake cases? How would we justify for fake cases कि भाई उसके लिए क्या law रहना चाहिए कि कोई आके झूठ बोल रहा है कि इसने मुझे rape किया, but that's not the real thing. But because of the given circumstances, everyone will turn to the guy कि भाई
Yeah.
ये
No, so
आगे इसने किया है.
so when you go to like I'm just giving an example of Emirates because like वहाँ पे ऐसा होता है कि वहाँ पे जो फेक केस भी कर रहा है ना उसको भी उतना ही डर होता है.
yeah.
हाँ
यस।
There
Okay,
should
so
be
you're saying
punishment for
that's a
someone who
crime
files
that's
a
been
fake
for
case.
हाँ तुम्हारा लॉ इतना स्ट्रांग है ना कि फेक केस वाले को भी पनिशमेंट मिलनी चुटकी में मिल सकती है. लॉ इज सो स्ट्रांग ना
वो करने फेक केस
that
करने से
the,
पहले भी कर
the
देगा.
law same for everything. कि even if you're faking it, you're screwed. Even if you did it, you're screwed.
yeah.
Also, like you can file a defamation case, and punishment should in general be strict enough कि कोई defamation करने का भी नहीं सोचे.
हाँ मतलब कोई भी कुछ भी करो तो दो बार सोचना पड़ेगा ही.
हाँ.
ऐसा लगना चाहिए country.
Yeah. So before like you go to a country where वहाँ पे कोई है नहीं पार्किंग पे करने के लिए. यहाँ पे कैसा है ना इंडिया में पार्किंग वाला खड़ा नहीं है तो पार्किंग के पैसे नहीं दिए. वहां पे कोई
Yeah.
खड़ा नहीं है पार्किंग के लिए सिर्फ एक बूथ लगा है. आप 10 लोगों से जाके पूछ रहे हो कि अरे यार पार्किंग का बता दो क्योंकि आपको पता है कि इंडियन रुपीस में वो आपको कुछ 50,000 का फाइन है. ओके, वहां का एक छोटा सा पार्किंग नहीं भरने का फाइन 50,000 कुछ है। सो आप इतना स्कैर्ड हो ना अंदर से कि 50,000 भरना पड़ेगा, 50,000 भरना पड़ेगा। हम वहां जा जाके रेस्टोरेंट में पूछ रहे हैं यार पार्किंग का बूथ का है, पार्किंग का बूथ का है। 2 दरम डालने के लिए आप 10 लोगों से बात कर रहे हो कि अरे यार बता दो बता दो बता दो। आप इतने डरे हुए हो अंदर से कि इतना बड़ा उसका एक पार्किंग टिकट अगर आपने नहीं भरी तो, एंड यू नो दैट आता है, वो आएगा। आप चाहे इंडियन पासपोर्ट पे हो, कहीं पे भी हो, वो आएगा, आपको भरना ही पड़ेगा। आप जा नहीं सकते, कंट्री लीव नहीं कर सकते बिफोर यू फिल योर ऑल फाइल्स।
और
नहीं तो
you might
इवन
have
दो
an
यू हैव
example
टेकन अ,
also ना, एक एग्जाम्पल भी सेट किया होगा ना किसी ने कि अरे हमारे साथ ये हुआ है पहले, तो आप पहले से ही बच के रहो, तो
हाँ,
एक एग्जाम्पल भी
they
सेट
actually
करना
do this.
जरूरी है। या
That's what I'm saying, the law is that so strong ना कि आपको ही डर लग रहा है कुछ गलत करने से
यस,
पहले।
वही वही एक
It is
रिस्क
so
है कुछ
strong that, yeah.
I have
Also,
yes,
if people are found colluding with the perpetrator, they should be punished just like a perpetrator.
Yes.
So if someone is trying to protect, if someone is trying to be a scapegoat for them, if
and
someone is uh,
yeah,
trying
it
to
should be it
delay
can be
justice,
anyone.
they should be punished.
Yeah, if it is,
yeah,
even
it
if it
वो
is
क्या बोलते
छोटा
हैं,
सा
all those
politician or even if it is
मिलिट्री वाले
बड़ा सा
लॉज हैं ऐसे
politician.
ही हैं। नहीं,
Huh?
मिलिट्री वाले लॉज तो ऐसे ही है ना कि if you are committing a, we call it mutiny, and if you are somebody who's like in that collusion, you will be punished as brutally as that thing. तो वो है एक चीज, but इस उसमें आना चाहिए।
Yeah.
उस सेंस में आने को आई थिंक इंडिया को थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा, बट दे शुड एटलीस्ट टेक अ स्टेप रिगार्डिंग दिस थिंग, दैट दे शुड कम टू अ टर्म वेयर द कंट्री इज सच ना दैट देयर क्राइम रेट इज लाइक 0 at this age.
Yeah.
I have this one last question.
Your
Like,
law
fine,
should be
you can choose to include it or not include it, but I really want to know how has it affected you people individually. That is something that I want to know. How has the sudden uptake of rape cases and this one particular incident has affected you guys individually? That is something which I'm really interested in. If it
See,
has.
normally I'm not someone who would tell. Normally I'm not someone who would actually call my sister or my mom and tell them please be careful, because I'm like, and I'm going to be very honest about this, because there have been so many cases. I am one of those people who may have normalized it, कि भाई होता है. But this case really scared me that I ended up texting my sister because she lives alone in Pune. She lives with her friends actually. She has her own apartment, but she lives there and she's studying. She's a university student. I found myself texting her, telling her, "Don't go out late. Please be careful, and just be aware of who you're friends with." And this is not something I do because I'm like, "Bhai, हमको नहीं होगा, किसी को नहीं होगा, बहुत कम लोगों को होता है." But after seeing the increase of these cases, where you're seeing it on social media, you're seeing it on the news, people are talking about it, it's on everybody's stories. It scares me.
Be next.
I'm scared. I for the first time I have told her, like, literally in my 26 years of life, the first time I told my sister, be careful. My parents and all, they keep on doing it. I'm like, chill, Ray. She's gonna be fine. She's gonna be fine. But for the first time, I told her, don't don't go out late. Be with your friends only. Don't go anywhere alone because you're alone. You're living alone over there. I don't say this to my sisters because, like Priya said, we've always been told this out of fear. Be careful, be careful, be careful, and it hits you at the head कि यार हमको ही क्यों बोलते हैं, बाकी सब लड़के बाहर जाते हैं देर देर रात तक, हमको क्यों बोलते हैं? There's a reason. It's like our parents always knew, but they never spoke out openly about it, and now this generation and future generations may have to pay for that, for
You
not
know why
taking
I
it.
wanted to talk about this was because I have lived alone. It has been, I think, 15 years now. Okay, and I've lived alone. And I really hate asking for help or whatever, whatever. I don't do it because habit ही नहीं है. But अब because now this
हाँ,
happened, मेरे को इतना गुस्सा आया कि मेरे को डर लगा. मुझे उस चीज से गुस्सा आया कि मुझे डर लग रहा है. and I have to travel really soon. And now I'm changing the dates so that somebody travels with me. And I am really, really angry कि I have to ask my partner कि भाई मेरे को you could probably leave me till the airport. मेरे को इतना डर लग रहा है और मुझे उस डर की वजह से बहुत ज़्यादा गुस्सा आ रहा है कि I
The
have
fact
been
that you have to be dependent on this now.
I have been trying to assert my independence and I've been independent throughout. But I have now, because of the sudden uprise and everything, now I'm like just really angry कि now I have to become dependent. Like I'm not free. कुछ भी कर लो, I'm again in the same place where I started from. Now I'm not free. I have to rely on somebody. I have to depend on somebody. I have to change plans because of this. Because ultimately the place I'm going is Delhi, and my mother is from there, so I've never been scared. So now I have to be scared of going there also. So this has angered me a lot. Anybody?
No,
For
it
me,
does because it's not fair, you know, कि भाई इतना independent रह चुके हो अभी now you have to be dependent on someone to be with you and to drop you till somewhere or travel, and you know you have to like make your entire schedule based on somebody else's availability just to be safe.
Mhm.
It's not fair.
So I this works for me a little opposite because मेरा अभी भी mindset वही है. I'm sorry, but वही है कि I mean this is going to happen now or someday or maybe never or maybe ever. This is going to happen. So अभी भी मेरा वही mindset है. Even when Ninu posted, you posted, and honestly, I do not see news and anything as such because वो बहुत negativity फैल जाती है दिमाग में और अपने दिमाग में भी वही चीजें चलती है. So you know, after a certain point, our subconscious mind, you know, पकड़ लेता है and then it somehow वही चीज adapt करके वही
Keeps
चीज
on
होती है
going,
अपने
yeah.
साथ. So I don't,
Nation, yeah.
yeah, I don't watch news. Yeah, I do not watch news. तो जब नीनू ने पोस्ट किया सबसे पहले, then I came to know कि अच्छा this is something that happened, and then I searched on Google and I became aware of this. तो तभी I was scared, I was angry, but again I came to the normal life that ठीक है क्या ही कर सकते like that, and again I'm on that zone only again कि fuck it, like fuck it.
No, you can't. Nobody can judge that also because अभी situation वैसा हो गया है.
हो गया है.
ऐसा situation हो गया है.
So
And
मेरे लिए it is
my
very
anger
much
is stemming from this. My anger is stemming from the fact कि now dependence again होगी. दूसरा ये है कि यार कि I have to be really really thankful and be like कि oh I'm lucky that today was not my day. ऐसा ऐसा वो
yeah.
बन
Yeah.
गया है कि now oh I'm really really thankful. Thank you God that today was not my day. This is what is irritating and frustrating.
for me, it's completely opposite than this. Um, this is very personal to me, but I'm voicing out so that if someone else finds it relatable, you're not alone. For me, the anger has risen. Obviously, I've been distraught. I've been very angry. I've been hating people that I've not hated in my life ever. Uh, but at the same time, I have this sense कि so this is common to the times that I have been touched, probed before also. I'm like एक और बार करे ना मैं दिखाती हूँ इसको वैसा वाला. So now
एक और बार.
so, yeah, so now it has become कि you do something to me so that I can like fash you over or
Yeah.
वैसा. And I have started testing limits. So this has happened before. Like I testing limits of people. So this is very weird. This sounds very weird, but I have done this.
I've
And
been doing it I have been doing this हमेशा से I test limits and I make sure कि भाई तू कर रहा है तो तू करके दिखा अभी तू कर मैं तेरी धून लूंगी. This is something which has happened तो ये नया कुछ नहीं था मेरे लिए what you are saying. Yeah, great, really great.
and I've been looking for ways to do something about it. And my only fear is let's not stop talking about it. This should not die down. But I'm so tired of being destroyed, but I don't want this to die down. It has been a constant struggle for me.
This is what I told Payal when we were talking about the whole podcast thing. Ki when she said, "Na," I was like, "Let's do it and let's not die it down only." This was the first thing I told her. कि नहीं चुप नहीं होने देते किसी को. Yeah.
Exactly. So this has been my reaction towards it.
If I talk about like with the ending of it, and let's with the closing and everything, if I talk about the personal experience, if you want to end it in that way, I feel somehow it's like a trigger to me, not in a sense that something has happened with me, but in a trigger in the sense that I don't know how to deal with it. So as a counselor, some things come up. How should I deal with people who do come to us with this problem?
Right.
That they have been to all these things. That is like one of my major triggers when I was doing child psychology, also when I was doing like cases also where they have these issues. So it's like a trigger to me, like what to do with these people. Like उनको कैसे समझाओ, उनके साथ एम्पथाइज कैसे करो यार कि इतना सब कुछ हो गया, बच्चा क्या है, you know there is something, what kind of a, like I can't see hope in that situation. How do I tell my client to see hope? You can come out of this, you can be an individual who's greater and gooder than this. How do I tell my client, or how do I tell myself that something is can be bigger than this? If I can't accept it, how is other people is going to accept it?
Yeah.
Okay, so thank you guys for your input today, and I think we can all agree that this needs to be changed for a longer term for the safety of women and men together. Thank you for joining us today, guys, and all the people out there all over the world. Please stay safe because your safety means everything more than anyone else,
Yeah.
right?
And
So,
make a safe environment for others.
and make a safe environment for others as well.
And
So,
don't
thank you
stop
so much
talking
for
about
watching
this.
us. Please, yes, and don't stop talking about this, please, because it's
Thank
important that
you.
the awareness spreads.
Thank you,
So,
Rashmi. Priya.
yeah, you'll find our speakers' profiles below and the description. So please like and share, and you'll also find us on our Instagram page. Thank you so much for coming and talking about this. And to all the listeners, thank you for watching us. And good day.
Thank you.
Good night.
Thank you too. Bye. Bye. Good day.
Thank you, Payal. Bye bye.
Thank you.